Okay, 223 case cut down to pretty close to the small diameter of the piston rod. Now this seal is a used one that's been worked, so this is working pretty easy. Slip it on there, and then with a 9/32 hole drilled in a piece of metal or a flat washer, you start it right on there. And then with a 23/64 hole, slip it right on. And then you can push it right onto the piston shaft, slide it up to the big end, and then with the 23/64 hole and a flat washer or a piece of metal, slide it right onto the big end, and then you got to pretend that that seal isn't there. It's a new one. There's just the O-ring and the groove, and you can just pop it right in there.